The Royal Navy has revealed the name of the second of 8 new Type 26 warship, the HMS Belfast. The enormous warship will be used to protect the UK's nuclear submarines and aircraft carriers, and can travel at staggering speeds of up to 2,000 mph. Both the HMS Belfast and the HMS Glasgow, which was revealed in July, will enter service in the mid-2020s. Defence Secretary Sir Michael Fallon made the announcement as he visited Harland and Wolff shipyard in Belfast, where the Navy's last HMS Belfast was built prior to World War II. The ship will be one of 8 new Type 26 frigates joining the Navy's fleet. "I'm hugely proud that the second name announced of our 8 cutting-edge new Type 26 frigates will be HMS Belfast," said Sir Michael. "She and her sister ships will form the backbone of our Navy well into the 2060s, keeping us safe by protecting the country's nuclear deterrent and new aircraft carriers." HMS Belfast is a Type 26 global combat ship, a 21st-century warship that will replace the Type 23 frigate as the workhorse of the Royal Navy's fleet. The ship will undertake 3 core roles: warfighting, maritime security and international engagement on the world stage. On board the HMS Belfast is the Sea Scepter, a cutting-edge missile capable of intercepting multiple targets out to a range of 15.5 miles. Traveling at speeds of more than 2,000 miles per hour, the warship is also fitted with a small-caliber SA-80 gun, as well as a general-purpose machine gun and Mk-44 miniguns. Unlike the majority of the ship's weapon systems, these guns are not radar and computer-controlled, but aimed and fired by the upper-deck weapon crews. The original HMS Belfast, which took part in the Arctic campaign and the Normandy landings, is now a floating museum permanently docked in London. It will now be renamed HMS Belfast 1938 feet to avoid confusion. Diane Lees, Director General at Imperial War Museums, said, "IWM is delighted that the name HMS Belfast will return again to the Royal Navy's front line as a major warship. We welcome the opportunity this will bring for our internationally significant museum to have a close affiliation with the new Belfast, enabling a powerful link between the Royal Navy's past and present."